There's our pile of skirt from that one plant. And here's the white salsify that I'm going to make for lunch. Just now, I watched on YouTube somebody actually kind of boiled them just slightly, and that slipped them out of their outer skin. So we'll see how that works out. And that's somewhat skinned. If I wash them off, they'll probably be pretty clean looking. So I'm just using this butter knife here and just scraping the outer skin off. After leaving them in this hot water for as long as it takes me to skin this, is how long the next root is in the water. So when I pull that out, I'll be putting a new one in there. There they are. I'm going to cut them up and fry them up. Maybe I'll fry them up with eggs. Okay, alright, looks good. That looks like it's going to be wonderful. We have white salsify, red cayenne pepper, elephant garlic, and tomatoes, all from our backyard gardens. Pack a couple of these on top after they fry for a little bit, and that's going to be one heck of a lunch right there.